Nina Gupta, I want to ask you from your earlier days. You talk about your parents. You talk about the fact that your father and your mother got married, but your father's family insisted that he should marry a Banya girl, and therefore he married as per his family's choices. What kind of an impact that had on your psyche as a growing child?
It was very bad for me and for my brother, which I have written a lot in my book also. My mother, who was so proud of herself, educated, couldn't accept what happened to her. So she never told anybody, and she suffered because she couldn't tell anybody. She was so ashamed. And because of that, it affected our childhood also, because she didn't want anybody to know this is happening, that is happening. And I today feel I wish I could talk to her at that time and tell her, don't be ashamed of this. Don't shy away from this. छाती तान के चलो, गर्दन झुकाने की जरूरत नहीं. पर मैं भी इतनी वाइज नहीं थी उस वक्त. ये तो अब मुझे लगता है. She died very young, not very young, मतलब quite young. And I think this whole thing of hiding. So I have learned, don't hide. Hide करने से ना अंदर अंदर बीमार हो जाता है इंसान. Like sometimes some people say to me, अरे तुम तो सब अपनी बातें बाहर बता देती हो, सब कुछ. तो मैंने कहा इसीलिए मैं खुश रहती हूँ. Because if I keep things inside me, they harm you. And I talk to my friends, and sometimes I get nice advice, and it comes out, and I'm happy. So that time was bad. I think it affected me and my brother very much. I was still saved, but my brother was very affected. He had a very bad life.
So how was your relationship with your father? खिंचा खिंचा सा रहता था क्या आपके दिमाग में या दिल में? उनके खिलाफ कई शिकवे गिले रहते थे, शिकायत रहती थी. How did you handle that?
I will tell you, when we were kids, when I was doing till my BA and all, till I came to Bombay, we were not very close, and it was like tic tac. And also I must tell you, whatever my parents, whatever problems my parents had, they brought us up very well in other things. We were not short of anything. We ate the best of food. We were not very rich. We were middle class. And we didn't have a car, but we had a scooter. My father had a bike, and then he had a Vespa scooter. So हमारे को किसी चीज की कमी नहीं थी. We went to the best of schools. We wore the best of clothes. So there was nothing like that. But there was no communication like a friend between me and my father and me and my mother. When he came to Bombay, he was obviously very annoyed because of what I did. But he just took over my life. He was like a rock behind me. मेरे को कोई बोल के बताए. He'll go and fight. And he took over. He used to run my whole household. मैं तो shoot करती थी. फिर आके बच्चे को ये करना, उनको ये करना. He was amazing for so many years. And one day, and I live near the beach, and he had joined this laughter club on the beach. And उनका बर्थडे पे वो लोग 60 लोग मिलके पार्टी करते थे. सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट करते थे. बीच पे एक छोटा सा गार्डन है. And one day he told me, this is the best phase of my life. He told me that. And वो सब भूल गए कि मैंने उनकी मर्जी के खिलाफ ये किया. कुछ नहीं. मतलब जो उन्होंने किया, in spite of what I had done according to him, is unbelievable. And that's why I could survive, for so many years without much work.
So Nina Gupta, what is your relationship with your daughter? You both keep on social media interacting and joking, and you've done Masaba together. What kind of relationship do you have with your daughter?
Very nice. We are very good friends, not bad friends. I mean, there is a thing of mother-daughter always, and sometimes she's my mother, sometimes I'm her mother, and sometimes she screams at me. She thinks I'm doing something stupid, and I scream at her. So I think it's a very nice, healthy, friendly relationship, and I'm thankful to God that it is like this.
And Neena Gupta, you're now married. You are with your husband Vivek, spending time in Mukteshwar. Are you in a happy place? Do you feel, many people look that I don't know if you relate to this feeling, but Delhi में जो लोग पले बड़े होते हैं, especially as you've described in your book, Karol Bagh, Bhenji College versus Maud College, the definitions that exist. There is this expression which only a Delhiite who's grown up here will understand, which is a feeling of being settled, a feeling of being, finding your destination or fulfillment. Is Neena Gupta there yet?
Yes, absolutely. I find my anchor in him, and touch wood, I am very happy and content. I have learned a lot during this lockdown because we've never stayed together for so long. He lives in Delhi, I live in Bombay. We keep meeting each other, and but here we live together in the same house for so many months, and I have learned a lot. Also, I'm much older, so it's easier to learn this thing that we have our own thing. He's busy with his conference call. I'm busy with my calls and etc. My interviews. Sometimes we meet for lunch and for dinner in the same house. He has his office in one corner. But yeah, you are right. वो settle हो गई.